Do you own a vacation home and wonder how to include it in your estate plan? Whether it's a family retreat or an investment property, planning ahead ensures it's managed according to your wishes. Today, let's explore how to incorporate your vacation home into your estate plan. Hello, I'm Angela Decoteau from Estate Law Solutions. If you want actionable estate planning tips to protect your assets, make sure to subscribe for more valuable advice. A vacation home is often a cherished family asset, but without proper planning, it can lead to confusion or conflict among your heirs. Here's how to include it in your estate plan. Decide what you want for the property. Think about your long-term goals for the vacation home. Do you want it to stay in the family, be sold, or generate rental income? Your decision will shape how you plan for it. You might want to use a trust for smooth transfer. Placing your vacation home in a trust can help avoid probate, provide privacy, and ensure a seamless transfer to your beneficiaries. Trusts also allow you to set rules, like sharing schedules among heirs or preventing a sale. And make sure you address those maintenance costs. Maintaining a vacation home can be expensive, including a plan for covering costs like taxes, repairs, and insurance. You might allocate funds from your estate to set up a family agreement for shared expenses. Be sure to equalize those inheritance. If some heirs won't benefit equally from the vacation home, consider balancing out their inheritance with other assets. This avoids resentment and ensures fairness among your family members. Be sure to plan for multiple owners. If you're leaving that home to more than one heir, establish clear guidelines for its use, management, and potential sale. A family trust or limited liability company can help manage your shared ownership and prevent disputes. Including your vacation home in your estate planning ensures it remains a source of joy rather than a source of conflict for your family. If you need help incorporating a vacation home into your estate plan, contact us at Estate Law Solutions. We're here to guide you through the process with confidence. For more estate planning tips, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.